So Samsung's new all-in-one wireless soundbar is here. It has everything you need in a single soundbar with 4 woofers and 3 tweeters built in, so you can enjoy rich sound that will fill your room. It is the budget soundbar from Samsung with a lot of impressive features. So hi and welcome back to Everything of Fun. I hope that you're having a great day so far. So in today's video, I'll be telling you about the new Samsung HW-S61B all-in-one soundbar in detail with all its features and specifications. So without wasting any time, let's get started. Now it is getting more and more difficult to tell how similar or different the Samsung series are from each other, but for those who are limited by both budget and space, the S series, where the S61 belongs, offers single unit soundbars. This is the best and most compact soundbar to fill your space with sound from anywhere in the room. The power to make surround sound come to life. The Samsung soundbar supports Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, which recreates sound to bring it to new heights and takes your audio to 3D. And let me tell you about this fantastic super portable laptop desk, which you guys can use while sitting on your bed, sofa, camping, or simply working from home. This multi-purpose portable desk can be used as a serving table, laptop table, game table, outdoor dining table, snacks tray, and much more. It can also be used as a portable mini picnic stand, perfect for picnics, beaches, parties, fishing, camping, and more. So use the link in the description to check out this desk now. The Samsung S61B is basically a 5-channel single-unit soundbar that also supports Dolby Digital and DTS. It features both USB and Bluetooth playback, comes with Q Symphony and tap sound, and can be expanded by adding rear speakers and a wireless subwoofer as well. Dolby Digital gives you a realistic surround sound experience by sending the sound all around you, and DTS Virtual X lets you hear more without adding more speakers. The soundbar syncs with your Samsung TV, working together to create immersive sound by combining soundbar's front and side speakers with the TV speakers. That gives you a new level of acoustic immersion, so you can experience content like never before. You will experience crystal clear dialogue with a dedicated built-in center channel, so you won't miss a word, no matter how faint the conversation is or how intense the background music or action is. It provides a balanced sound from one to the other end and beautifully completes your home entertainment experience. With AirPlay 2, you can simply pair the soundbar with a compatible iPhone or other iOS device to play music. In the music mode, experience vocals and instruments in studio-grade clarity, allowing you to hear every note as the artist's intended. SpaceFit Sound offers clear and immersive sound by optimizing your audio to match your space. The soundbar can even automatically analyze room on its own, calibrating the sound field to perfectly fit your room. With one simple tap, you can easily play your music. Just tap your phone anywhere on the soundbar and you'll hear the rich sound mirrored on the soundbar without having to pair it manually. The soundbar weighs around 2.7 kgs. At the top, as usual, we find a set of built-in control buttons exactly in the middle, including a power button, volume controls, and a source selection button. The S61B soundbar is compact enough for most spaces with a nice curved design, while the build quality is what you would expect from a brand like Samsung. And for its price, there is not much more to be expected anyway. So if you're looking for a budget-friendly and compact all-in-one soundbar with amazing features and a decent quality of sound for everything like gaming or entertainment, then the new Samsung HW-S61B is a great option. So yeah guys, that's about it for this video. I really hope that this video was helpful for you. In case you like the video, then make sure to subscribe to the channel for more such videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching.